A mixture of sand and iodine can be separated by. The correct option is sublimation. Difference in density is the basis of. The correct option is gravity separation. Which of the following is an example of heterogeneous substance? The correct option is candle. Which of the following substance cannot be separated into its constituent by a physical method? The correct option is solid glucose. Which one of the following is not a pure compound? The correct option is sucrose solution. 1 Fermi is equal to. The correct option is 10 raised to minus 13 centimeter. The prefix 10 raised to 18 is equal to. The correct option is exa. The prefix zepto stand for in meter. The correct option is 10 raised to minus 21. The unit joule per Pascal is equivalent to. The correct option is meter cube. Which has highest weight? The correct option is 1 meter cube of water. Which of the following set of units represent the smallest and largest amount of energy respectively? Electron volt and liter atmosphere. A measured temperature on Fahrenheit scale is 200 Fahren. What will be the reading on Celsius scale? The correct option is 93.3 degree. Which of the following is not a SI unit? The correct option is liter. The prefix 10 raised to minus 24 is equal to. The correct option is yocto. The number of significant figures for three numbers 161, 0.161 and 0.0161 is. The correct option is D. In which of the following number all 0 are significant? The correct option is C. The correctly reported answer of the addition of 90.004, 3.2 and 2.25 will have significant figures. The correct answer is A. The number of significant figures in 10.3106 gram is equal to. The correct option is 6. Dimension of pressure are same as that of. The correct option is D. "20 gram of calcium carbonate gave 8.8 gram of carbon dioxide and 11.2 gram of calcium oxide. This is accordance with option A. 10 liter of nitrogen gas and 10 liter of gas X at the same temperature contain the same number of molecule. The gas X is. The correct option is B. 1 mole of gas occupies the volume of 22.4 liter. This is derived form of. The correct option is C. One of the following combination will illustrate the law of reciprocal properties. The correct option is C. Equal volume of two gases A and B are kept in a container at the same temperature and pressure. Avogadro law is invalid if. The correct option none of these. The modern atomic weight scale is based on. The correct option is B. What is the mass of an atom of oxygen in gram? The correct option is A. If the mass of one atom is found to be 2.784 × 10⁻23 gram, then this atom can be. The correct option is nitrogen. What is the mass of one molecule of carbon monoxide? The correct option is B. Calculate the volume at STP occupies by 240 gram of sulfur dioxide. The correct option is B. At STP, the density of carbon tetrachlorides vapors in gram per liter will be nearest to. The correct option is A. The number of gram molecules of oxygen in 6.02 × 10⁻24 carbon monoxide molecule is. The correct option is B. The number of oxygen atom in 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide is. The correct option is A. Which has maximum number of molecules? The correct option is B. The number of gram of oxygen in 32.2 gram of sodium sulfate dot NH2O is equal to. The correct option is 22.4. The number of molecules in 8.96 liter of a gas at 0 degree and 1 atmosphere pressure is approximately. The correct option is 24.08 × 10⁻22.